How to record on Spectrum Television 2025 step by step. Recording shows on Spectrum Television in 2025 is easier than you think. Here is a clear step-by-step guide to never miss your favorite programs. Step 1. Ensure you have Spectrum's DVR service enabled. Most people get this wrong. They try recording without a DVR subscription, which won't work. Once activated, your DVR will have storage for multiple shows. Step 2. Navigate to the guide using your remote. Browse or search for the show, movie, or channel you want to record. Highlight the program and press the record button. You won't believe what happens next. You can choose to record a single episode, all episodes, or even set a schedule for recurring shows. Step 3. Confirm recording settings. You can adjust quality, storage location, and auto-delete options if space gets full. The DVR will then handle recording automatically. Step 4. Access your recordings anytime from the DVR menu. Shows can be played, paused, or deleted as needed. You can also set recordings from the Spectrum Television app on your mobile device, giving you flexibility when away from home. By following these steps, you can stay in control of your viewing schedule and never miss an episode. The surprising truth is that mastering your DVR isn't just about recording, it's about managing your entertainment efficiently, saving time, and ensuring you catch everything you want without stress.